Kim Namjoon is here. Let's get up in here. Oh, when I say Coco Dogs be doing the extra with these packaging. Hold on. We got another layer off bubble wrap. That was convenient. Oh my god, they're so thick. That's what she said. I can't do this with the camera. Oh, I can do it one by one. Okay, hold on. Let's just do it one by one. Look! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh, Kim Namjoon! Yo, Oh my god! Beautiful! I don't know why I stopped recording. I got too excited. Okay. Next. Sweater weather. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And they all got paper on them. I'm not even going to open all of them. I'm going to open one. Because I think the inside be the same. So I'm not taking this paper off of my guy. What is this extra thing? Oh, we got an extra little book. I know this guy because of Kim Tae-young. And lastly, oh, Kim Namjoon. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take the paper off of this one. Let's get inside here. Okay, this book was on the back. It's literally like a little photo book of him. So I'm sure the girlies that like him was very excited about this. Cho Woo Shik, I think his name is. Yeah, he's Kim Tae-young's friend. This is why we're here. Okay. We have reached the promised land. Oh my god. He is so incredibly beautiful. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. The blue hair is everything. Sir, my gosh. I love this. I love it so much. Oh, Namjoon. I couldn't have not got these. Look at him. Hold on. I need that. Yeah. He's so incredibly beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. The fire. I cannot take it. Stop getting blurry. Shh. Thank you. Goodness gracious. My camera won't act stupid. Look how long he is. Kim Namjoon! My gosh. Oh my gosh. Just wow. I cannot. Oh my gosh. Just whoa. I cannot. I cannot. Okay, I'm assuming here we have an interview. So I'm gonna use Papago to translate that. But wow. Oh, I remember when we saw him go to this thing, we were going crazy. Well, I was going crazy. I don't know what the rest of everyone else was doing, but I was going crazy. Just, sir. I love Namjoon so much. I truly do. I truly do.